Hello there. The weather was pretty mixed for part one of the weekend. Wet and windy weather pushed into Scotland and Northern Ireland. The best of any sunshine was across England and Wales. Part two of the weekend, it looks like we should see more sunshine around generally, especially sunny for England and Wales. And eastern Scotland also catching some sunshine, but we'll see another weather front pushing into the northwest of the country to bring increasing wind and outbreaks of rain, initially to Northern Ireland and went then western Scotland into the afternoon. But a ridge of high pressure keeps things fine and settled in the south. So it's a chilly start to the day for many, but a lot of sunshine. And the sunshine holds on across eastern Scotland before thicker cloud generally moves into Scotland and Northern Ireland with increasing wind, southwesterly winds, and some heavy and persistent rain. Temperatures cooler, 9 to around 13 or 14 degrees. That's because the day started off on a chilly note. And then as we move through Sunday night, it looks like that rain in the northwest becomes more widespread, fragments as it spreads southwards and eastwards. So quite a messy picture, I think, to start Monday. A lot more cloud around, outbreaks of rain here and there, and temperatures lifting a little bit. Some milder air moving in with this rain off the Atlantic. But it does look like Monday will be a cloudier day for many, a bit murky, outbreaks of rain here and there, southern, northern, western areas. Could see a few breaks in that cloud to the east of high ground, but I think generally speaking, sunshine will be limited. So as a result, despite the air being milder, we'll see temperatures generally around the mid-teens, but we could make 16 or 17 where we get some sunshine across some southern and eastern areas. As we move out to Monday into Tuesday, that weather front and all the cloud and the rain begins to fizzle out as high pressure builds in. So Tuesday looks like being a rather murky start to the day. Lighter winds thanks to high pressure building in, and it should be mostly dry. Could see a few patches of rain towards the far southeast as that weather front slips off into the near continent. We should see maybe a little bit more sunshine around into the afternoon, central, eastern and northern areas. And again, fairly mild temperatures around the mid-teens. As we head into Wednesday, we've got high pressure building in. This weak weather front across the north of Scotland may bring thicker cloud and a few showers here. A bit more of a breeze for the far northeast of Scotland and the Northern Isles. Elsewhere, though, closer to the centre of the high, the winds will be light. So a little bit of mist and fog, I think, to start Wednesday across southern areas. Variable cloud, bit of sunshine here and there. Most places should stay dry. And temperatures, again, around the mid-teens. As we move into Thursday, we've still got high pressure dominating, but some changes taking place across the north of the UK. This area of low pressure with its weather systems will start to bring outbreaks of rain, strong winds to the far north of Scotland. You'll notice the white colours there indicating something wintry as some colder air begins to dig south. But elsewhere, it's a fine day, variable clouds, some sunshine, and again, quite mild for Thursday. But as we look beyond Thursday into the end of the week and next weekend, it looks like high pressure will retreat towards the west of the country. That'll allow low pressure over Scandinavia to bring cold northerly winds and some cold air to move southwards across most of the country. I think the coldest of the air will tend to be towards the east, probably diving down into the near continent. However, it's going to be noticeably cooler as we push into next weekend and the start of the following week. So you can see those temperatures falling away as we move towards the end of the week. Still quite a bit of sunshine around, but it will turn colder with some cold and frosty nights to come. Take care.